Okay, keep pencil there from 32 page studio from last second paragraph. Okay, L started a business with the aim of inventing things. He employed people to help him develop his ideas. What L started, children? L started a business. What aim? Aim means goal. Okay, aim means goal. What is his goal to do? What is his aim to do? To invent the things. To invent the things. And he employed people. That means he kept some people for his work. Okay, he employed people to help him develop his ideas. Okay, invention means new things, right children? That means the person should think more. The person should think more about the what the thing they are inviting. Okay, so to help him and to develop his ideas, what L did, children? L employed people to encourage and to develop his ideas. Okay, that means he paid the salary also for them. Employed means what? He paid the salary for those employees. For ideas also he paid money. Okay, and after that he treated that one as a business. Okay, he was investing on the inventing things. దాని మీదే ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నారు అన్నమాట మనీ. Okay, and he treated it as a business. And after that, see next paragraph, last paragraph. On some days, okay, on some days he would spend 18 hours a day working in his laboratory. Okay, for some days how many hours he worked for a day? 18 hours. That means total how many hours we are having for a day? For a day we have 24 hours. How many hours? 24. From 24 hours, 24 hours లో 18 hours ల్యాబ్లోనే ఉన్నాడు అంటే how many hours he slept? For 6 hours. Okay, he was taking rest and remaining all the time what he was doing? He was working on his lab only. Okay, he was working on his invention only. Okay, for 18 hours he was spending time in his work. Okay, in his laboratory only. Now next, turn the page 33. Next in page 33, see children, first paragraph. This determination led him to become an important person in the world of electrical science. That means what, children, here? Determination. Okay, see, that determination means what, children? Working towards something without giving up. అంటే డిటర్మినేషన్ అంటే ఒక దాన్ని కంపల్సరీ పూర్తి చేయాలని నిశ్చయించుకోవడం. ఓకే, దట్ డిటర్మినేషన్ లెడ్ హిమ్ టు బికమ్ an important person in the world of electrical science. ఓకే, ద డిటర్మినేషన్ తను అంతలా నిశ్చయించుకున్నాడు కాబట్టి he was the most important person in the world of electrical science. Okay, in the electrical science only he led or he was the most important person గా ఈ రోజు ఉన్నారన్నమాట. And he soon became a respected inventor. Okay, his inventions changed the lives of people. Okay, the young inventor was none other than Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, he soon became what, children? Respected inventor. Okay, so many inventors will be there, but from all those inventors he got most respect. And the inventor means person who invents something. kotta things ni kanipette varni inventor ani antam. Okay, he soon became a respected inventor. His inventions changed the lives of people. Okay, he invented the things which are useful to the people. ఓకే, ఏంటంట మానవులకి జీవించడానికి అలాగే వాళ్ళకి అవసరమయ్యే థింగ్స్ని ఇన్వెంట్ చేశారు. ఓకే, అండ్ హీ చేంజ్ ద లైఫ్స్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆల్సో బై హిస్ ఇన్వెన్షన్స్. ఆ ఇన్వెన్షన్స్ ద్వారా మనుషుల జీవితాలని కూడా మార్చారనమాట. అండ్ హీ ఈస్ okay. L means the young inventor was none other than who? Thomas Alva Edison. Do you know Thomas Alva Edison? Who is he? What did he invented? Yes, most of us we know he invented the electrical bulb. What he invented? Electrical bulb. Electric bulb, he only the invented first person. Who? Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, before that in this world no electrical bulbs are not there. Okay, people used to keep in their houses or anywhere only oil or fuel lights only. Okay, and candles like that they used to have, but no one have this electrical light. Now we are having so many types of electrical bulbs. Yes or no? LED lights, okay, smart lights we are having, 3D lights we are having, yes or no? Tube lights, normal bulbs also we are having. So many we are having now. But who started this? Who invented the first bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Who? Yes, Thomas Alva Edison. He along with other scientists invented the electric bulb that lit up the world. Yes or no? Along with the other scientists, ఇంకా అతని దగ్గర మిగిలిన సైంటిస్ట్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళతో కలిపి he invented the electric bulb. And this bulb lit up the world. Lit means light and ఈ ప్రపంచాన్ని, వరల్డ్ని వెలిగించిందనమాట. Which one? Electric bulb. And last paragraph, his inventions also include the phonograph. Okay, other inventions are, see children, their picture also you can see phonograph. Phonograph means an early form of a record player. That one what? Record player, a phonograph, and a motion picture camera, among many other things. Okay, he invented so many things. Among all these three are okay, got famous. What? Phonograph, motion picture camera, and electric bulb. Children, see here, Thomas Alva Edison, he was disabled child. Yes or no? అంటే ఏదో ఒక లోపం ఉంది అతనిలో. అండ్ ద టీచర్స్ ఆల్సో డిడెంట్ బిలీవ్ హిమ్ దట్ హీ వాజ్ ఎ బ్రిలియంట్ ఆర్ హీ కుడ్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. ద టీచర్ ఆల్సో couldn't believe him, but his mother believed him, and he sponsored, he fund by himself the money, and he kept a laboratory by his own, and he did so many experiments, and he got so many failures, even though he never give up also. And after that what he did, he finally succeeded. And now what are the bulbs we are having in our houses? Okay, all these are because of థామస్ ఆల్వా ఎడిసన్ స్ట్రగుల్ ఓన్లీ. ఆ రోజు అతను అంత స్ట్రగుల్ అయ్యి ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా కష్టపడి ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బల్బ్ కనిపెట్టారు కాబట్టి టుడే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ bulb. If he failed there only and he gave up there only means today we may not have the electric bulb. We may have after few years late, very later we will get, but this much early and this much advanced lights we will not get now. Okay, that means what we also should, children, we never ever give up. And if we are may lagging in one aspect, okay, in one aspect if we are lagging means that is not the thing, we all are dullers or we all are slow learners. But every child have their own talent. Yes or no? They will have their own talent. So we never ever degrade or criticize the other friends also or other children also. We should not criticize because everyone have their own talents. Okay children.